Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about the important diseases that are found in the gastrointestinal tract. Number 1, thrush. It is known as oral candidiasis and it is a fungal infection that is caused by the yeast known as Candida albicans. In this condition there are white patches found on the tongue and the mucous membrane. Especially it is seen in the babies that are fed with the artificial or bottle feeding. Next, gingivitis. It is the inflammation of the gums known as gingivitis. In this condition, there is a plaque formation found around the teeth. Viral infection. Most commonly the herpes simplex virus HSV number 1 that is found. Gingivostomatitis. This is the inflammation of the mouth and the tongue known as gingivostomatitis. There are also tumors found in the mouth. It may be malignant or simple, benign. This can occur or cause due to the intake of tobaccos, lime and other toxic substances. Congenital disorders like cleft palate and hair lip or cleft lip. In this condition, the roof of the mouth during the embryonic development is absent, so there is a separation of the right and left halves in the mouth, especially on the upper jaw, and it occurs anteriorly from the anteriorly it reaches up to the uvula. In babies, drinking, eating and swallowing. Also the development of the speech is impaired and the defect has to be repaired surgically. Dental caries. It is also known as the tooth decay. It occurs with discoloration and then later on it forms the cavity that is known as dental caries. Now we will see the diseases of the pharynx and adjacent structure. Tonsillitis. It is inflammation of the tonsil and the surgical removal of the appendix is known as appendicectomy. Diphtheria. It is a communicable childhood disease caused by the Corynebacterium diphtheria. Mumps. It is an acute inflammatory condition of the parotid gland, salivary glands. The main complication in male it occurs, it is known as orchitis. Means testicular inflammation occurs and later on it may lead to atrophy of the testes in male and it may lead even to sterility. Diseases of the esophagus. The esophageal varices. This is the localized dilatations of the veins and it occurs due to the increased pressure in the portal system. Next, esophagitis. This is the inflammation of the esophagus. Dysphagia. Dysphagia means the difficulty in swallowing. GORD. Gastroesophageal reflux diseases. So, it is the commonest cause of the indigestion or we call it heartburn. And it is caused by the persistent regurgitation of the gastric acid juice into the esophagus. It causes ulceration and irritation. Barrett's esophagus. This develops after long-standing reflux. Achalasia. It is a persistence. The peristalsis of the lower esophagus is impaired and lower esophageal sphincter fails to relax during the swallowing. There are also congenital abnormalities found in esophagus like esophageal atresia. In these, the lumen of the esophagus is narrowed or blocked. Tracheoesophageal fistula means there is an opening between the esophagus and trachea, which should not be there normally. In this, there is an opening between the esophagus and the trachea. So, the gastric contents is aspirated in the lungs. Diseases of the stomach. Gastritis, it is the inflammation of the stomach. Peptic ulcer is the ulceration involves the full thickness of the gastrointestinal mucosa and it penetrates up to the muscles layer. Hematemesis, it is the presence of the blood in the vomit. Melena, it is the presence of the blood in the feces. Appendicitis, inflammation of the appendix. Enteric fever, it is the typhoid and paratyphoid fevers that are caused by the Salmonella typhi and Salmonella paratyphi type A and B. Food poisoning. When the undercooked meat or unpasteurized milk is ingested, it causes vomiting and the main cause is E. coli or Escherichia coli. Cholera. It is caused by the Vibrio cholerae, which is caused by the contaminated food, drink, feces, vomit, contaminated hands and the contaminated fomites. Dysentery. It is infection of the large intestine caused by the Shigella group of bacteria. Amoebiasis. It is also known as amoebic dysentery. This disease is caused by the protozoa called as Entamoeba histolytica. Gastroenteritis. It is the inflammation of the stomach as well as the colon. For example, rotavirus and norovirus. IBD, inflammatory bowel disease. It is also known as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. The Crohn's disease, it is known as chronic inflammatory condition of alimentary canal, while the ulcerative colitis, it is a chronic inflammatory disease of the mucosa of the colon and the rectum. Hernias. Hernias means the protrusion of an organ or part of an organ through a weak aperture in the surrounding structures. For example, inguinal hernias. Pancreatitis, it is the inflammation of the pancreas. Hepatitis, it is the inflammation of the liver. Also in common terms we say jaundice. In this, the yellow discoloration of the skin and the mucous membrane occurs. There are many types: hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D, etc. Cholecystitis, it is the inflammation of the gallbladder.